Hey guys, welcome back to the next section. Here we'll be building upon all the things we've learned so far, but going in a bit more detail. So in this section, we're going to cover different ways to input information in a cell or multiple cells. We'll be learning about table navigation, copying and pasting data, which is one of the most common functions. We'll be doing some more fonts again, but this time in a bit more detail. I'll also be introducing rows and columns, what they're used for, how to use them, how to move them around, and so on. Then we'll finish it off by learning about sheets, which is a very important element about organizing your information. And along with that, we're also going to be learning about page views and how to manipulate your screen to really maximize your efficiency. All right, so enough talk. Let's get started.